To do the ball stitch, we're going to do a chain where the number of chains is a multiple of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to do 12. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I'm doing 12 for my multiple of 4 for this sample piece. Once you have your multiple of 4, you're going to then add 3 more stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. And now you are ready to begin. For row 1, we're going to skip this first stitch and work into the second stitch from the chain. And we're going to do 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way across. So just 1 single crochet in each stitch. This is one of the easier rows to do. Almost done. And 3 more stitches to go. Once you reach the end of your row, you'll do that final single crochet and then chain 1, and you're ready to turn. There you go. There is row 1. To begin row 2, we're going to start in this first stitch, and we're going to do 1 single crochet into the next 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And then we're going to do our first ball stitch. So into this next stitch, you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, bring up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, bring up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, and bring up a loop. So you do that 3 times, and you should have 7 loops on your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you will grab your yarn, pull through all 7 of those loops, and then we move to this next stitch, and we're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And your little ball stitch there is going to want to poof up just like that. You're going to end up with a bit of a nice little texture there. Okay, so now we've done our 3 single crochets. We're going to do another ball stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook, and bring up a loop. You do that 3 times. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Grab your yarn, pull through all 7 of those loops, and then you will do 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. There's 1, 2, and 3, and you'll continue to repeat that all the way across your row. So you do 1 ball stitch, then 3 single crochets, another ball stitch, 3 single crochets. and you'll continue to do that. Looks like I've got room for one more ball stitch here. So 1, 2, and 3. Grab the yarn, pull through all 7, and when you're at the end of the row, you will do 1 single crochet into the last 3 stitches. And there's 2, and my final stitches over here. Make sure you're going under both of those loops. Grab your yarn. And there we go. There's our 3 single crochets. And now we chain 1 and turn. And you can see those little balls are going to stick up. So cute. To begin row 3, we're going to start in this very first stitch here, and you're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across the row. Just 1 single crochet. I like the simple rows. Not a whole lot of counting involved. Almost coming to the end here. Once we have reached the end of our row, there we go. Once you reach the end of the row, you will chain 1 and turn. To begin row 4, we will start in this very first stitch and do 1 single crochet. Now we will start the repeating sequence. So into this next stitch, you're going to do 1 ball stitch. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Pull through all 7 of those loops. Then you're going to do 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. And you'll just keep repeating this sequence until you reach the end of your row. So into the next stitch, we will do a ball stitch. Here's 1, 2, and 3. Pull through all 7, then 1 single crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3, then a ball stitch. 1, 2, 3. Grab your yarn, pull through all 7, and 1 single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, and 3. When you come to the end of your row, I've got 2 stitches left. I'm going to do 1 ball stitch into this next stitch here. So 1, 2, and 3. Grab the yarn, pull through all 7, and then that should just leave 1 single crochet in that final stitch, There we go. And now we chain 1 and turn. And so all your little ball stitches should all be poofing up on the same side. And there you go. For row 5, we're going to start in this first stitch here and do 1 single crochet. And this is another one of those easy rows. You're just going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way across. One single crochet, in each stitch. And coming up to the end here, make sure you get that final stitch. Just like that. Now you will chain 1 and turn. From this point on, you will repeat starting from row 2. So you'll repeat rows 2, 3, 4, and 5 until you have reached the length that you were looking for in your work. So there we go. That is the ball stitch.